Hello viewers, we'll be going over Nikola, ticker symbol NKLA. In this video, we'll be going over the technical analysis and its options. So on Friday after market, it had news of it planning to sell its warrants and purchase its shares at around $11.50. Currently on Monday, we closed at $38.45 and we had a 21% drop. And at the 1 hour chart, we see it starting to slightly converge on the 1 hour MACD. We're still oversold on the RSI. If we expand that further onto the 4 hour chart, we are oversold on the RSI as well, and we see no signs of the 4 hour MACD converging. As for the daily chart, what we have here is we approach to negative MACD and we have a large volume to the downside. And one thing to take a look at is we did have a gap up between June 5th and June 8th. So we do want to fill in that gap. And there is a gap at around the price of $35.95. So that is our next approach to the downside. If we do manage to reverse and head up higher, the next possible resistance will be the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, as indicated back in July 7th and back in July 17th, where we close around Friday. So that will be our resistance to the upside. And if we were to reverse and head up to the upside, that price movement to the upside is roughly around, say, 25%. And to the downside, that is around 7.7%. And now let's examine the options. At the moment, on Monday, it has 141,000 calls compared to 139,000 puts. And when we compare the implied volatility, it looks quite high. However, if we do compare it to the current IV percentile, it's on the low end. And when we examine the July 24th weeklies, and at the moment, today's trading volume is majority in 40 strike price calls compared to the put, which is around also 40 strike price. And when we examine its open interest, majority of the open interest resides in the $36 strike price. So even though there's majority of the trading volume for calls is on 40, there's still a high probability that we may head lower to around 36. And as for put side, we still had same action what we saw on the volume. Its open interest is among the highest at around $40. So in this video, we went over the technical analysis and options. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.